Okay, welcome back. Previously, I discussed about the loop syntax and the scanning process. We have actually different types of loops, while, do, while, for any type of repetitions you can achieve through any type of loop. Don't think that this is a scenario go with while or do while or that scenario for. We'll discuss later about do while and for. Don't think that this is a situation compulsory while that scenario compulsory do while this scenario compulsory. No. Any type of repetitions you can achieve through any type of loop. Now started with while. Okay, while is enough. Through while, we'll go ahead. The basic advantage with the programming is speed and accuracy. The basic advantage with any application, any program, speed and accuracy. When we can analyze the speedness and accuracy of any program, obviously inside the program, n number of operations. N number of operations, then only we can observe the beauty of a program, the speed of a program. Normal arithmetic operations, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, what nonsense to go for a computer. Calculator is enough. Be frankly, no need to calculate also. Our mind is enough. When huge amount of calculations are coming, n number of calculations, then only we can observe the beauty of a program, right? N number of operations, go for loop. Try to understand the relation between program and a loop. The basic advantage with the program is speed and accuracy. When we can analyze the speedness and accuracy of any program, whenever inside the program and number of operations, whenever inside the program and number of operations that in the picture, we need to go for loop. That means loop. How smart we are in the usage of the loop will be that so good in coding, programming. Programming, day by day new concepts, C, C++, maybe Java, Python, a number of concepts. But entire logic construction, everything depends on the usage of the loop. How strong we will be in the usage of the loop will be that so good in coding. As a developer, we need to be there in a position to develop any type of program, not to this or that, anything. We need to be there in a position to develop anything. Beginning stage, a lot of confusions will be there. To get solution, just follow me. To get good practice on the use of the loop, some example programs. Whenever it is required to get solution to any task, first step, first understood the requirement properly. Don't behave like a typist. Don't run in front of the system, open the keyboard, type. Don't behave like typist. Pen, no paper. Logic is very important. And one thing, as a core developer, I'm talking about fresher level who are entering into the industry more than at least 8 lakhs package. Fresher, more than 8 to 10 lakhs package. The core developer, maximum per day, morning to evening, 20 lines code only he is going to generate. Maximum number of lines code, 20 lines. Remaining everything, pen, no paper, logic constructions, meetings, designing, that to debugging. Don't behave like typist. Okay. To get solution to any task, first step, first understood the requirements properly. Understood the task properly. What the required input and what is the required output. First step. Second step, go for an approach. Hit the task, go for an approach to get the solution to the task. What are the required concepts? What is the required logic? What is the required concept that in the programming language you need to use? Like that. Go for an approach. Telugu, English, Hindi, one human language. Then based on the complexity, maybe some chit-chat discussions required with the B-side developers, seniors, juniors, maybe B-side developers. So like that, some approach is required. Second step, approach, how to get solution. Third step, what is the approach we got? Design the pseudocode, logic. Logic construction is very important, third stage. Fourth stage, the logic, what we got, everything construct as a program with proper syntax in our programming language. Fifth stage, still confusions, go with the code flowchart. Check everything is fine or not. Sixth stage, go to the computer. Here computer is there beside me. Go to the computer, type. Check with the system directly. Now I am here to do these all. Follow me. Now, Okay, as I mentioned before, to be strong in coding, obviously we need to be strong in loops, usage of the loops to get good hold, good command on loop. Some example programs. Okay, I'll take one. Task one. I'll go from here. Two logics. Task one. The task when we run the program need message enter number. Need to enter one number. Message enter number. Enter number. Suppose input number is 6. Enter key. Now given input number of lines are required. Given input number of lines required as output. That means total right now in this situation 6 lines. First line 1 number, next line 2 numbers, next line 3 numbers, like that. Every line must start with 1 and increment order. That means the required output need to be like this: 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Last line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the required output. Input number is 10, 10 lines required like this. If input number is 15, 15 lines required like this. See, program need to be dynamic. That means if input number is 6, 6 lines required like this. If input number is 10, 10 lines like this. Suppose the question is like this. Okay, I need this as output. What is there to print this? Just printf 1 slash n 1 2 slash n 1 2 3 slash n 1 2 3 4 slash n means new line 1 2 3 4 5 slash n 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Then output will be this. That's it. But program need to be dynamic. Program need to be dynamic. If input number is 6, output need to be like this. If input number is 8, output need to be 8 lines in this method. That means at runtime need message enter number. Suppose input number is 6, this is the required output. Input number is 10, 10 lines required like this. Understood? Now input number is 6, 6 lines required like this. Okay, this is the task. As I mentioned before, first step, understood the task. Next, approach. Next, logic construction. Next, code construction. Next, go to the system. Task clear, right? Okay, to get solution to this task, okay, first of all we need to enter a number. Take a variable scan at runtime. Variable what name? A na, B na, C na, D na, X na, Y na, Z na, any name is okay now. Don't do like that. Until the provision is there, go with the meaningful names to the variables. My name Kalyan, my institute name Kalyan IT. Like that, always meaningful names are required. Until the provision is there, go with the meaningful names to the variables. Don't be over hurry. Cool. More clarity required in each pinpoint, each step. Later coming coding, rocket speed will be there. Until the provision is there, go with meaningful variable names. So reason later coming coding, we are going with n number of variables in a single program. 10 variables, 20 variables. Lot confusions will be there to us. Which variable for what purpose we use, we may forget. Lot confusion. So always go with the meaningful names to the variables. Right now, take a variable scan at runtime. Okay, the name. I'm going with the name N. Normal number. So go with the name of N. Scan at runtime. Message enter number. Suppose input number 6. Anything that maybe that is going to confirm at runtime. This is the required output. So go for the loop. The loop need to repeat How many times? 6 times n times n times. 6 times means static. It is fixed. N times. Go for the loop. The loop need to repeat given input number of times. Okay, in this situation, 6 times. Next, inside the loop, go for a statement to push the control to the next line. To push the control to the next line, go for the statement printf stat /n. So, okay, we're getting 6 lines. Next, every line we need those things as a result. So, inside first line, one number required, out. Second line, two numbers required, out. Next line, three numbers. Next line, four numbers. Next line, five numbers. That means inside, once again, repetitions required. First line, one number. Second line, two numbers. Next line, three numbers. That means to get solution to this task, we need to notice that we need to go for nested loops concept. Loop inside once again loop. First time coming inside first line, one number out. Second time coming inside, two numbers out. Next time three, next time four, like that. Okay, here not only the repetitions, we need to concentrate, we need to focus about the exact required output. Output need to print in this particular format. To say, for example, suppose the required output need to be like this, a different model. Suppose input number is 6, output is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See the similarity here and here. Here also 6 lines, here also 6 lines. Here first line one number, here also one number. Second line two numbers, two numbers. Third line three numbers, three numbers. Fourth line four numbers, four numbers. But output here is different, here need to be different. One more, suppose input number is 6. Required output need to be like this: 6, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See here also first line, 6 lines. First line one number, 1 second. Yeah. Here also 6 lines, 6 lines. First line one number, one number. Second line two numbers, two numbers. Third line three numbers, three numbers. The similarity, these all number of lines is the same. Number of numbers in each line is also the same. That means outer loop 6 times, here also 6 times, here also 6 times. Inner loop first time, one time, one time, one time. Second time, two times, two times, two times. Third time, three times, three times. That is okay. Not only the repetitions. Here we need to take load in our mind to get exact the required printing format. Okay. Go for the loop. The main loop need to repeat. The outer loop need to repeat 6 times. So 1 2 6 6 2 1 anything is okay now. Anything is okay. Reason this loop need to take concentration. This loop need to take responsibility to print lines only. So repeat the loop 1 2 6 or 6 to 1 or 11 to 16 6 to 11. Anything is okay. Any design is okay. According to that, we need to design the inner loop. Inner loop need to take responsibility to print the numbers like this. That means when we are going to design the inner loop, then only we need to be more conscious to design to get the exact required output. Outer loop 1 to 6 or 6 to 1, anything is okay. Okay. Now go for only 1 to 6. Later I will show you the reverse design also. Now go for 1 to 6. Repeat the loop. The variable need to iterate. Iterate means change. 1 to 6. Take a variable. What name? A na, B na, C na, D na, nonsense. Go with a meaningful name. I. Normal integer variable I. I need to change like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to this, design the loop, the logic. I'm not going with the total syntax. I'm going with the logic only. So I require initial value I equals to 1. Before the loop I equal to 1, and the variable need to increase. So at last place of the loop body I equals to I plus 1. Loop body open, close. Initial value I equal to 1, at last plus I equal to I plus 1. Variable is increasing, so go for the condition less than or greater than. Previous session already I discussed, no? Go for less than. So I less than or equal to 6 n. If I give 6, is it correct? Nonsense. Always it is repeated 6 times only, but we need n times. So n n is going to confirm at random. That may be 6 or that may be 16. Suppose the situation is like this 6. Now 1 less than, this is a logical flow. 1 less than 6 come inside, 2 less than, 3 less than, 4, 5, 6, 7 less than out. This loop need to take responsibility to print lines only. So go for the statement printf slash n. I written as pf printf. No doubt. Now we are going to get, in this situation, we are going to get 6 lines. 6 times controllers come to the next line. Next, we need to take stress load in our mind to design the inner loop. Reason, inner loop, not only the repetitions, inner loop need to take responsibility to print the numbers in this particular format. Okay. Okay, parallelly, these three come here. Here also total 6 lines now, so same design. I'm going with a small font, n value 6. Here also assume the 10 value 6, same design. So I equals to 1, I less than or equal to n, I equal to I plus 1. Loop body open, closed. Here also I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I equal to I plus 1. Same design, same design, same design, same design, same design. Printf slash n, printf slash n. Here inner loop is required. Here the inner loop is required. Here 6 lines, here also 6 lines, here also 6 lines. Now inner loop need to take responsibility to print the numbers according to the required format. Observe it carefully. In every line in this model, if the starting number is confirmed, yes, starting line, everything is confirmed. Start with 1, no confusions, nothing. Here every line if the starting number is confirmed, no. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Starting numbers are changing. Here every line if the starting numbers are confirmed, yes. Start with 6. Okay, next. Here the printing style, increment order or decrement order, increment. 1, 2, 3, like this, rising. Here the printing style, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, decrement order. Here 6, 5, 4, 3, like this. Here also decrement order. Concentrate about the starting and the printing style, increment order or decrement order. Okay. Here starting number is confirmed. Here we need to go with the inner loop. This inner loop need to repeat first time 1 time, second time 2 times, 2 numbers required, next time 3 times. Here also the same, na? First time 1 number, next time 2 numbers, next time 3. But the printing format need to be like that, like this and like this. Follow me, just concentrate right now how I'm hitting the task, where I'm going to spend less time, where I'm going to spend more time. Here, if the starting number is confirmed, yes, confirm, no confusions, nothing. I'm printing format, increment order or decrement order, increment order. Okay, go for variable, start with 1. Variable name, as I mentioned before, meaningful name, increment order, so in. I've taken a variable with the name in. If the starting number is confirmed, yes, confirm. So confirm it, in equal to 1. Printing format, increment order or decrement order, increment order. So in this inner loop, before entering into the inner loop, take a variable required starting value need to be 1, and print this variable and increment it. Printf percent D in. Leave about the condition slowly, and the variable need to increase always. So in equal to in plus 1. The meaning of this thing is, this design is always start with 1, always start with 1, print and increment. What are confirmed, those things are confirmed. Starting 1 is confirmed, printing confirmed, incrementing confirmed. Come to this design. Here is the starting number is confirmed. No. Printing style, increment order or decrement order? Decrement order. So decrement order na. So go for a variable with the name dn. Dn equal to, is the starting one is confirmed. So leave it. It need to be changed. About this, think slowly. Printing order, decrement order. So dn equal to dn minus 1. And always print this variable on screen in this inner loop. Printf percent d dn. Here variable is decreasing, so go for the condition greater than. Here is the ending number is confirmed. Yes, that means what? Condition is confirmed. So the condition dn greater than or equal to 1. See how I design there and here. Here starting is not confirmed, but ending is confirmed. That means condition is confirmed. Printing style, decrement order, condition. The meaning of this design is always print and decrement until it is bigger than or equal to 1. Same like this here also. Okay, leave about this. Maybe load will be there in your mind. Later we'll discuss a different models. See the similarity that design and this design. The meaning of this design is start with 1, print and increment. Here starting is not confirmed. Print and decrement until it is bigger than or equal to 1. Okay, come here. Here variable is increasing. So go for the condition as I mentioned before. Variable is increasing. So go for less than. So the required condition need to be in less than or equal to. Suppose I given like this 4. According to this, the output will be first line 1 2 3 4, second line also 1 2 3 4, third line also 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. But our required output need to be like this. First line only 1, next line 1 2, next line 1 2 3, like that. To achieve that, first time while we are coming inside, the required value here is 1. Then 1 less than 1 come inside, 1 printed, 2 less than out. Second time while you are coming inside, the required value here need to be 2. So 1 less than equal to 2 less than 2, 1 2. Next time while you are coming inside, required value need to be 3. So 1 2 3. Next time 4. Suppose if I give like this 4, previously I given 4 now. What is the value there at first time? Right now 4. Second time 4. Third time 4. Fourth time 4. Fifth time 4. Every time that is 4 only. That means here right now I given constant. If you give constant, that is fixed, no changes. But we need changes in this place, right? We need changes here. Changes required here. First time the record value 1. Next time that need to be changed. It need to be 2. Next time 3. So what we need to place? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Thinking is wrong. If you are thinking about a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, always that is constant. If you place 3, always that is 3 only. But here the changes are required. Now, whenever the changes are required, think about variable. Variable by name itself, which is going to vary, which is going to change. Whenever the changes are required, think about variable or expression. Expression means a plus b, a minus b, a into b, like that. Whenever the changes are required, think about variable or expression, which need to give those values. Come outside. Outside, what are the variables there in the picture? N is there, I is there. So what to place? N plus I, N minus I, N into I, N by I, directly I, directly N. Think. First time I need 1, next time 2, next time 3. So I, direct light, visibility is here now. I. What is the value of I first time? 1. starting with 1 less than 1 coming inside, 1 printed, 2 less than 1 out, only 1 came first line. Second I'm coming inside, second line I value 2, so starting with 1 less than equal to 2 less than 2, 3 less than out, 1 2, next time 3, 1 2 3, next time 4, fine. Okay, come here. Here the meaning of this design is always print and decrement until it is bigger than or equal to 1. Here printing is confirmed, decrementing confirmed, condition confirmed. Here starting confirmed, printing confirmed, incrementing. We spended more time for condition. What I round off, this place is important. This place need to spend more time. Same like there, come here. Here printing confirmed, decrementing, ending number is confirmed. That means condition is also confirmed. That means now we need to do Gana Bhajana. That means we need to spend time for this one. The meaning of this design is until it is bigger than at 1, keep on print and decrement. Suppose if I give like this 4, that means starting with 4. So first line output is 4321. Second line also 4321. Next line also 4321. Next line also 4321. Every time it is starting with 4. 4 greater than 1, 3 greater than 3, 2 greater than 1 greater than 0 greater than out. That means first line 4321, next line 4321, next line every line 4321. But the starting numbers need to be changed. First time need to start with 1, next time 2, next time 3, next time 4, next time 5, like that. As I mentioned before, whenever the changes are required, think about variable or expression. Variable means A, B, C, D, I, J, K, like that. Expression means A plus B, A minus B, those things. Whenever the changes are required, think about variable or expression which need to give those values. Now come outside of this loop. Come outside. Outside the available variables are N and I. N value 6. I is 1, 2, 3. Same design color. 4, 5, 6. So Dn equal to here variable or maybe expression. Variable means maybe I or maybe n. Expression means n plus I, n minus I, n into I, like that. First time it need to be 1. Next time 2. Next time 3. Next time 4. So directly go with I. That's it. So simple. First time I value 1. 1 greater than 1 come inside, 1 printed, 0 decrease, 0 out. So 1 get. Second time I value 2. So start with 2. 2 greater than 1, 1 greater than 1, 0 greater than out. So 2, 1. Next time 3 to 1. Next time. That's it. Okay. Leave about this. Now this one. Code construction. Construct this everything as a program in our programming language. Variables declare total void main total number of variables 3 int I comma n comma in. When we run the program, the required message enter number. Suppose the question is print like this. Simply print of 1/n12/n123. हो गया काम. Completed. What nonsense. The task not this. Input number is this, then output need to be like this. If input number is 20, output need to be 20. Program need to be dynamic, understood. Based on the given input, output is required. Run the program, message enter number. Printf message enter number or enter integer or enter value, anything. Next scanf percentage d. Be careful this ampersand symbol. I written as pf printf sf scanf. Next to go for the loop, the main loop, nothing but auto loop. This is the logic. Go ahead. I equals to 1. Next the condition while I less than or equal to n. I less than or equal to n. Loop body open, loop body closed, main body closed. This is the loop body. Beginning stage do like this only. Once you got good practice, you can place in sequence order. I equal to 1, I less than equal to n. At last place, I equals to I plus 1. At last place of this loop body, I equal to I plus 1. According to this design, the loop repeated how many times? N times. Suppose n is 6, 6 times. If it is 8, 8 times. Inside the loop, immediately the required statement printf slash n. Printf slash n. Control came to the next line those many times. Nothing but suppose given number 6, 6 lines. Here the inner loop required. This inner loop need to take responsibility to print numbers like that. First time come inside one number out. Next time two numbers out. Next time three numbers like that. This is the logic. Place in equal to 1. Next while in less than or equal to the condition. I body open. Insert the body close. At last place of the loop body, in equal to in plus 1. Inside the loop body, the required statement printf. Printf percentage d in. This is the inner loop body. That's it. Okay, come. Here no semicolon. Be careful. Here also no semicolon because it is not statement. Check it out. Suppose input number is 6. 1 less than or 6 come inside. Printf slash n. Control come to the next line. Next in equal to 1. In less than or equal to I. Right now I value is 1. So 1 less than 1 come inside. 1 printed. In is 2. Go up. 2 less than 1 falls out. Now loop repeated only one time. 1 is out. Next I became 2. Go up. Whenever who reaches n part of the loop body, go to the relay data and check it out. 2 less than or equal to 6. True. Come inside. Printf slash n. Control come to the next line. Once again I am starting with 1. Now I value is 2. So 1 less than or equal to 2 less than or 2, 3 less than out. So 1, 2 printed. Next I became 3. Go up, come inside. Third line. Now I value 3. 1 less than 3, come inside. 1 printed. In became 2. Go up. 2 less than or equal to 3, come inside. 2 printed. Next in became 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, come inside. Always printing in. So 3 printed. Next 4 less out. That's it. Check by yourself. As a developer, need to be there in a position to develop any type of task. Beginning stage, bit confusions. Still some confusions. Go back to my speech. Back and forward. First understood this properly. Next I will continue with more complicated repetition, different types of patterns, different type models, more complicated repetitions. First you need to understood this properly, then only you can understood my next task. Okay, bye bye.